Using the idle-free system. Air conditioning. Locate the idle-free thermostat. The idle-free thermostat is located in the bed, in the bunk, typically at the end of the bed, mounted on the wall or on the closet. It's white in color and has an LCD display in the center. To set the thermostat to cool, move the slide switch from off to cool or from heat to off to cool. The slide switch needs to be moved to the left. Move the arrows up to adjust the set temperature or increase the set temperature to a higher temp, and move the down arrow to move it down. The minimum that you can set the temperature for in air conditioning is 68 degrees. Move the right slide switch to auto if you want the evaporator, the blower fan in the closet, to go on and off when the temperature in the bunk has been met. Move the right slide switch to on if you want the evaporator or the blower fan to run all the time that your air conditioner is running. Keep in mind that this fan will always be running as long as the switch is in the on position. Using the idle-free thermostat for heat. To turn the idle-free heater on, move the idle-free system switch on the thermostat, that's the left slide switch, move it to the right. Do not use the up and down arrows to control the temperature of the bunk when in heat mode. These arrows do nothing. The thermostat simply turns the heater on. Use your truck's bunk fan control, heat control, and function control panel to control the heat in the bunk. Use the thermostat to turn the heater on, and then move to your bunk control panel to control the heat intensity and to control the fan speed. QR code. The white idle-free thermostat in your bunk has a QR code sticker in the left corner. Use this sticker and your smartphone together to access many documents located at the Idle-Free Technology website. Shore power. All idle-free trucks or systems are equipped with shore power. If you want to use shore power with your idle-free system, you're going to need an extension cord, preferably 50 feet long and 14 gauge. The inlet is located below your driver's door, typically right behind it between the door and the fuel tank. Plug the extension cord into the truck prior to plugging into your 120 volt shore power source. Locate the outlet and plug the male cord into the outlet. You might hear a small crackle or see a little spark when you plug it in as the battery charger in the idle-free system is energized. Shore power is now maintaining the idle-free battery charge level, using a battery charger to maintain and provide power for the idle-free batteries and your truck batteries as well. The idle-free voltmeter has a magnet attached to the back of it and is located under the bed, typically attached to the under the bed module. There's a 6-foot cord on the voltmeter, and you can move it into the driver's area so that you can see it easier, because it's a fuel gauge telling you how much power you have left. While you're driving down the road, the top lights come lit, and when you're using the system, the bottom lights are used. So the voltmeter is divided into two sections. The bottom half is how much power you have left when the truck's not running, and the top half lights also come on while the batteries are charging. Closing the cab and bunk curtains. Make sure that the cab and bunk curtains are closed when using the idle-free air conditioner or the idle-free heater. There will be situations where closing the curtains will be the difference between a comfortable environment and an uncomfortable environment. The longer the curtains are closed, or the more effort you put into managing that space, the easier it will be to perform cooling, heating, and the longer your runtime will be. Pre-cooling and preheating the bunk while you're driving. When you're driving down the road, make sure that the climate control system in the bunk, and in the cab for that matter, is maintaining the proper temperature. Taking advantage of the truck's climate control system while driving will increase the runtime of the battery-powered air conditioner or heater, and will also make you much more comfortable. You'll have less work for your batteries to do if you use the engine to do the work while you're driving. A driver's packet is included with your system. This packet is normally left in the side door, but sometimes is found in the bunk. The driver's packet includes a lot of different support materials that you may read and find interesting, and also may give you more information on how to use your idle-free system. There is a component located under your bed, which we call the UBB. It's an under-bed box, and inside this box is an inverter and a battery charger, some fuses and other things. One other thing that's a part of that under the bunk box is the cover. If you remove the cover, underside the cover is a sticker, which is a troubleshooting guide. So if you're running into trouble, you can always call the number on your thermostat. You can scan the QR code, or you can flip this cover over, and it's got some help for you placed on a sticker. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number you see here. You can go to our website, idlefreesystems.com. You can reach us at idlefreetechnology.com. You can use the QR code you see there. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.